Hey guys. So it's been a little bit since I've been live. I know you missed me. Just kidding. So when you start popping on, just give me a little heart or a smiley face so I know that you can hear me. The worst thing is when you go live and nobody can hear you. You're like, hello? Are you there? I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I think, it's on my screen. Okay. Oh, I see people hopping on. Yay, yay, yay. Hi. So I wanted to talk to you guys tonight about, and this is so impromptu, I don't have anything planned, okay? Which is funny because I'm going to be talking to you about meal plans and meal prep and stuff, and how I think that the lie that I'm talking about is this misconception that we think that we need that to be successful on our weight loss journeys. And we think if I just had the right meal plan, like I could lose weight, or let me just spend hours on Pinterest looking at all the meal plans, and if I get the best meal plan, then that will answer all my problems, right? Like, how many of you have thought that? Like, so many times I've thought, even before Beachbody, because they give you all the meal plans. I mean, come on. I remember thinking, like, if I just had somebody to tell me exactly what to eat, then I would lose weight. But that is so false. That is not true, right? Because you know what to eat, right? You know what you should and shouldn't eat, but it's not the meal plan. It's the mind. And also, I, excuse my French, like fucking hate meal planning and prepping. Like when I see people in their kitchens with all of their meals planned out, I'm like, look at my fridge, look at all my meals. I'm like, ugh. I mean, maybe I'm a little bit jealous because I can't do that, but I mean, I could if I wanted to spend like hours, but that's not me. I have spent on this program, since November, and I haven't had I don't have a single meal plan. Like, I cannot give you a meal plan. I could give you all the food I ate because I have it written down, but I couldn't like sit here and tell you like, oh, you should eat a salad right here, and you should do because it's all about like intuitive eating, which is what I love about this program. It's like, what do I feel like eating right now? And the easiest thing for me, and I think I did a video on this, was like my meal prep is basically like making sure that all of my food is easily accessible. So like all of my vegetables are cut up so that I can just grab them and eat them, dip them in my hummus and eat them. That's as far as my meal prep goes. And Ben and I split kind of like the cooking. But when I see so many people struggling because they can't meal prep, and I do think prepping is important for people who need, like, if you're going to work every single day, like you need to know what you're going to be having for lunch. I don't think you need to know it a week in advance. Like, I think you can kind of like, yeah, see, Jason says that his meal prep takes hours on Sunday. You are doing a very extensive program, so I understand that. Like, there's a time and a place for that, but for me, that's just, like, not me. And I think because I work from home, it's just a lot easier that I don't have to do that. But I just want to say that it's a misconception that you need that to be successful. And when I hear people say, like, oh, I don't have time to meal prep, or I don't have time for that, so that's why I'm not losing weight. Like, I don't do it, and I've been losing weight. So I just don't want that to hold you back from anything, because as long as you have the mindset and you know that you need to like look for the best option that's going to make you feel the best, then you're going to be successful. So when you're out and you didn't plan, like for example, I'll tell you what, today I didn't plan. I had to be at Molly's school at 11:30. Hi, Mohammed. I'm talking about how meal planning and meal prepping is, you don't need that in order to be successful with weight loss. Like, it's a big misconception, and it's a lie. You don't need it. It's a lie that we tell ourselves, that we can't lose weight because we don't have time to meal plan. And I'm not here to say that you do have time. I'm here to say that you don't need to meal prep or meal plan because I don't do it. So today, for example, I had to be at my daughter's school at 11:30, and usually I eat lunch around 11:30. I didn't even think of that in my head today when I was like thinking about what I'm getting done. And maybe that's part of my problem. Like, I'm not the most organized person. So I was like, I'll just work, and then thinking I would eat at a normal time. But 11:30 was getting close, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm hungry. But what do I eat for lunch? Because I work from home. I eat eggs with vegetables and toast. Like, that's not a very easily to-go meal. I couldn't like eat in the car. So I just switched like what I was planning on eating as my snack and my lunch. So for lunch, I had vegetables and hummus. And then when I got home later for like when I was going to have a snack, I had my eggs and my toast. So just because I don't meal prep, I don't meal plan, but I was able to switch things around because I thought, okay, instead of grabbing, I don't really have a lot to grab anyways, but instead of grabbing something unhealthy or like stopping somewhere on the way to school, I just switch things around. So when you start to kind of switch your mind and think, okay, do I want to make a good choice that's going to make me feel good? Or do I just not care? And we don't ever want to say I don't care, because our health is important to us, right? We want to be thinking about that all the time. And that's what I love about what this program has given me, and it's going to give to everybody, is that it's just like this total shift in your mind. If you go back to my post from yesterday where I shared my before and afters, or my before and currents, I posted in the comments below the sizzle reel. So the video, you can see more about the program, and you can listen to some people who went through it before me, and that they talk so much about that shift. It's like a shift in your mind. And so you just have like after dinner tonight, I had some chocolate, okay? And if I was doing a strict meal plan, then I would not be allowed to have that. And I like to eat chocolate, so I'm gonna eat it. But it's just this shift in your mind, and you can say to yourself, like, do I really want the chocolate? Is it gonna make me feel good? And I said, yeah, it is gonna make me feel good, and I'm gonna have a little bit. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing, but I'm gonna have a little bit, and I'm gonna savor it, and it's gonna be amazing. And so that's like the biggest shift for me. It's like I don't have to like binge on an entire container of ice cream, but if I did, it would be Halo Top, because it's not very many calories. So we just have to make smarter choices and have that switch in our brain, and never say this is all or nothing, right? Mohammed, I don't need to develop a program because there's already a program created. I didn't have to do it. It's amazing. I just have to help people through it and give them the tools. That's the beauty of being a Beachbody coach. I don't have to create the videos and do all that stuff. Plus, I'm not a registered dietitian, nutritionist, or whatever Alana is. She's got all these degrees and stuff. I don't have those. So, but you're very sweet, Mohammed. Thank you. You made my night. Thank you for tuning in. Okay, I'm delirious. I'm just going to keep drinking my water. All right, anyways, that's all I wanted to say. Thanks for joining, you guys. I'll probably have like a couple more live videos leading up to the launch of this program. If you don't want to hear about it, then you can just unfollow me. It's really easy. You just go to my profile and you click unfollow. But I'm going to talk about it a lot because it's made a huge difference in my life, and it's going to change so many people's lives, and I'm really, really, really excited about it. So if you want more information, just let me know. I have a pre-launch group that will go into even more detail. If you want to join it, let me know. Maybe I'll just drop the link in the comments. That way you can just join in. And there are 4 other people on my team that have been going through this test group with me, and so we have lots of extra accountability, and people of all different ages and occupations and everything that have gone through it. So hopefully somebody will resonate with you. Anyways, that is all, and I will talk to you guys later.